Please tell your name.
Sir, my name is Sachidananda-Panel.
And your roll number?
304351.
Give us a formal introduction.
Sir, I did my postgraduate from Natural Resource Management in College of Forestry in 2018. I did my graduation in BSc Forestry from College of Forestry in 2016. Now I am working as a block technology manager at Atma Kandhamal. I have posted in at GU Degiri. Now basically I am in the Atma scheme is based on the central sector scheme, which will work on under the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment. And my hobbies are playing cricket, and my achievement I have isolated and identified a new discovery of species on Rhizobium, that is Rhizobium alami, from root nodules of Acacia mangium seedling, and I have registered it in NCBI USA, and I have one international journal research paper and 2 national journal research paper, and I have awarded the best thesis in during my PG period.
So what is follow?
Sorry, sir.
Follow. In cricket, your hobby is cricket, right?
Sir.
Follow how?
Sir, follow. That is, if the opponent team just reach the half mark of the score, that is called as follow.
That is in one-day cricket or?
Sir, it only in one day cricket and also in test cricket.
One-day cricket also follow any rule is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can think properly.
Sir, I think no. Sir, follow there.
What is innings?
Sir, in one day there is 2 innings, and in test it is 4 innings. Innings just start the 50 over in one day. 50 over match is in 1 innings, and in test it will up to the team who is batting till declaration. It is 1 innings.
What is the role of the wicket keepers?
Sir, the main role of wicket keeper is he is almost 20 in each and every time. He is totally vigilant, and he is not only keeping the balls from the bowler. He is also in sometimes the wicket keeper was the best captain like MSD, and he just look all the fields from one area. Another in any position, the player will might have some difficulty to watch every player and to field set, and wicket keeper have that capability to watch every player and set the field condition.
So why cricket is not included in the item of Olympics?
Sir, it's ICC given the proposal to include cricket, and in 2032 we are most happy person that we will watch cricket in ICC.
Because hockey is permitted.
Yes, sir.
But cricket is it is not included.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one of the developed countries, most developed countries of the world, has no cricket team yet?
Sir, it's USA.
Why?
Sir, I don't know actually.
Which is similar to as far as the style of playing is considered.
Sir.
Which is the another game mostly similar to the cricket.
Sir, it's sir, it just tip of my tongue, but I did not recall that. That is one.
Baseball?
Baseball, sir. Baseball, sir. Sorry, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We go to forest portion.
Yes, sir.
Tell me different climatic factors that maintain the forests of the place.
Sir, first topography. Topography. I have give some. Can I give some example?
No. Only points you tell me.
Okay, sir. Topography, second thing temperature, third thing microclimate area, fourth thing humidity, fifth thing our environment so that's
But most important we have revealed rainfall.
sir, rainfall.
Rainfall we have left
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
What is difference between natural regeneration and artificial regeneration? In one sentence only.
Sir, naturalization is produced naturally from the seeds or automatically vegetated by the plant. But in artificial regeneration, the man-made or we will plant some seed or in different new type of vegetative method we propagate that plant.
What is artificial regeneration? Another name, very common name of artificial regeneration.
Sir, asexual afforestation.
What is the difference between afforestation and reforestation?
Sir, afforestation is if a forest is totally degraded, we planted some seeds or seedling, then it is afforestation. If a forest is just slightly distorted due to something environment or human activity, in that area if we planted, that is reforestation.
Do you know what is dieback?
Yes, sir. Sir, diebacks mostly found in nursery seedling. Sir, after 30 days of the nursery period of that species, the dieback is occur due to moisture stress or temperature or any environment gradient difference.
I think it is not there. It is not a correct question, a correct answer.
Sir.
Dieback is struggling for establishment of a plant, natural plant, mostly found in sal trees. Dieback it sometimes takes 20 years. Each year forest fire is coming, this drought is coming, and there will be very short seedlings. In a particular year, that will grow and establish itself.
Sir.
That phenomenon is called a dieback.
Yes, sir.
In the capacity
Yes, sir.
to resist all the adverse factors.
Yes, sir.
You are telling about the nursery, that is hardening up.
Hardening of some, sir.
What is that hardening up? Tell me.
Sir, after 30 days, we just.
Not 30 days.
Yeah,
Very simple for hardening up.
Sir, आमे जते बड़े जो seedling टा just
Tell me in English.
Sir, when we just reaching some maturity of the seedling, we just alternate the watering process of the seedling, and we just remove of the setting of the seedling, so that it can adopt some climatic factor and which will be harden itself.
Shortly after 2 days you will water, then 3 days you will water, so that the plants will grow very robust. It will grow in any circumstances. That is called hardening up. That is very important thing in forestry.
Sir.
It can thrive in all types of situations.
Sir.
That is hardening up.
Sir.
Okay?
Sir.
Tell me the botanical name of Amla.
Phyllanthus embolica.
Pahadi Sisu.
Sir, Dalbergia latifolia.
Piasa.
Sir, जो Pterocarpus marsupium.
Bas. What is watershed? You define watershed. One line.
Sir, watershed is the management conservation of water.
Watershed is an area.
Sir.
Whether it is a slopy area or a plain area.
Sir, watershed mostly plain area.
Plain watershed king hobo.
Sir, the watershed portion, the which place we water give it, that's the plain area. But the above that place it's slopy area.
That is drainage to a common outlet.
Outlet, sir.
Unit of area, watershed conservation method.
Sir.
Conservation
Yes, sir.
area.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
excessive conservation?
Sir, excessive is outside their habitat. We give an example of botanical garden, zoo, and in any genomic research institute.
What is working plan?
Sir, working plan is a detailed or comprehensive report of document in which which is used for different operation in a division. Like
for how many years one working plan will last?
Sir, 10 years.
10 years. Who approves that working plan?
Sir, it's mostly approved by.
Mostly no, only one organization it approves.
Sir,
it will be implemented by DFO.
DFO, sir.
But who will approve that thing? Government of India will approve.
Sir, Government of India will approve. Sir, therefore there is one working plan officer.
He will prepare.
Sir.
Working plan officer will prepare.
Sir.
That this action it will be implemented by divisional forest officer.
Sir.
Territorial division.
Sir.
Sir. Implemented.
Sir.
Government of India.
Sir.
Approve.
Sir.
Government
Sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me how IPC is useful in forestry.
Sir, during any seizure or during any caught any person who is illegally caught or culprits, we will use IPC and CRPC in forestry. And
how in which stage?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Which stage IPC का use करा जीवो?
Sir, it's mostly sir.
IPC का हमारा forest act, wildlife act.
Sir.
इब IPC में कोटे है प्रकार हो.
Sir.
सेरा उसी seizure.
Sir.
Warrants.
Sir.
Forwarding the accused to court of law.
Court of law.
हेवड़ा जो IPC CRPC.
Sir.
कारण IPC CRPC होची mostly for theft, murder, general.
Sir.
इना हमारा forest timber smuggler, wildlife smuggler, forest act, wildlife act. एड़ा हमारा स्वतंत्र act पूरा forest रो.
Sir.
और जो forest conservation act.
Sir.
Environment act, एड़ा स्वतंत्र act पूरा.
Sir.
हाँ. ये तो बुझे होगा ना?
Sir.
How many types of survey you know?
Sir, 12 types soil. In total 12 types soil found in India.
You know how many types of survey? 12 types.
Sir, sorry, sir. I just listened that in soil.
No, survey.
Sir, survey, sir. Sir, got a I think 2 types. Got a simple survey.
Simple survey.
Sorry.
Reply in technical language.
Simple survey.
No, sir. No, sir. Difficult, no, sir. It's partial survey. It's total.
Survey instrument है कौन?
Sir, survey instrument. Sir, we take tape and albinis level during survey.
Albinis level survey का height का मापे होगा albinis level तो main क्या होची compass.
Sir, compass. Prismatic compass.
हेटा plast survey, plane table survey plane area वाला करियो.
Sir.
तापरे बर्तन recent survey ना कौन? Satellite survey.
Satellite survey.
हेटा को machine का satellite रे function को.
Sir, हमारा GPS GIS.
GPS उट्टे को तो आउट आपको चलिए.
Sir.
बारह प्रकारे शेषु मिलते पहुँचो GPS से बर्तन survey कराऊँगी.
Sir.
Most accurate is the DGPS survey. The DGPS survey ना अपना applicable ना very costly. Total DGPS machine ना दाम जो 20 lakhs.
Sir.
GPS machine दाम जो 5,000 6,000 से 20 lakhs. इतना mostly survey of India ना आएगा.
Sir.
है ना? सार अच्छी समय ना सर ये अच्छी why landslides are there? The damage of landslides to the nearby cities, to the roads, to the pedestrians, to the vehicles. What is the cause of landslides?
Sir, it's first cause topographic situation of the hills, and second cause is the movement. Soil and sir, the inner movement of the land, that is either transverse movement of the land or or transfer movement of that land, it leads to landslide. Recently it's happened in Kinnor.
Since you have submitted your high standard man, because you have submitted one thing that a new fungus, name of the
Sir, I have submitted one rhizobium species,
Rhizobium.
that is rhizobium alami.
Rhizobium. Can you tell me what is carbon sequestration?
Sir, carbon sequestration is the stock of carbon in any form. It may be in terrestrial, it may be in forest, or in marine, it may be in water or sea.
What is mangrove forest?
Some,
In which soil or in which that water in mangroves grow?
sir, mangrove mostly littoral and swampy forest type. It's mostly grown in blackish water, and in slight saline and fresh water, the confluence of river and the sea. And we found two forest in mangrove, in river bed of Mahanadi and in Bhitarkanika. Sir, recently planted in Chilika also. Recent 2 to 2 years back, I think that.
Plant को भी कराया जाता है, नेचुरल है बड़े कोराली plant.
Sir,
experimental जैसे कोई किए करती हो तो very difficult. Saline आने वो ये
sir, actually I read one paper that in Boitarini initiative, one of the NGO planted in mangrove at the coastal of Chilika.
What is shelter bed?
Sir, shelter bed is one type of our silviculture system, which is used for giving shelter to unnourished tree or unnourished plant.
Unnourished plant means?
The undergrowth tree. We giving shelter to the, sorry sir.
Habitation को रक्षा कराऊँ ना?
Sir.
Shelter bed.
Sir.
को केटा लगा जाए shelter bed का?
Sir, mostly coastal लगी थी. समुद्र coastal लगी sir.
कहाँ को रक्षा करियो? जो गाँव गंडा रास्ता मनुष्य जो माने अच्छे से मानो को रक्षा करियो ना?
Sir.
को समय रक्षा करियो?
Sir, during high wind or during high tide or during any storm or any
सही समय
sir.
तोड़ा था वाला लोकल में जो उड़े दियो साइक्लोन ने वाला तो सेंटर में name me one or two important species, shelter species.
Sir, Kajuran equisetifolia, Prosophis julifera.
Kajuran equisetifolia उड़िया नाटा कौन?
Sir, झाऊ.
झाऊ plantation शो कराए सेट में.
Sir.
हेला?
Sir.
Do you know what is it? GI tag?
Yes sir.
कौन?
Sir, it is geographically indication tag. This in my locality in Kondhamal Haldi is got GI tag.
Forest data भी अच्छी. Forest भी Kondhamal Haldi जी GI tag से पाई है
Sir.
Madras रे हमारा तमिलनाडु में GI tag करा है for all the timber made produces. जो ऊपर का असर से GI tag दिए तो कब होते हैं? जरा ये जंगल का अच्छी.
Sir.
जरा नॉर्मल बिक्री है करीबन.
Sir.
सेठी तो मतलब GI tag को दुआ है जो सेठी में पंचायत के लिए.
Sir.
What is food chain? Food chain.
Sir, food chain is the it is a wave. Sorry sir, I just it's top it but I did not recall that.
Food chain होती है तो grassland रो जो vegetation
sir, तापरे herbivores ऊपर तापरे जो top जो हमारा decomposer. Food chain. Sir.
You are answering me. You got to be a particular concrete भाव उत्तर तो किसी एपिसोड पर ही
Sir.
Observe करते
Sir.
हमारा hand movement बहुत होती है हमारा हाथ दिखता है और you have
Sir.
और द्वितीय कथा होती है you are appearing in interview, you are not participating in any discussion.
Okay sir. Sorry sir.
So when you participation in
Okay, sorry, sir.
Department of people are there. So there your style of replying and your style of speech is different. But here you are facing a board. So So with solemnity, that means with a soberness you have to reply. In certain times I see that you very forcefully you speak,
Sorry, sir.
which could have been even in a
Wrong
lighter
direction.
tone. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And moment of hand is the arrest the moment of hand. And second factor, don't be in hurry in replying to a question. So, after the question is put to you, you think over it for 5 to 10 minutes, 10 seconds, then you reply. Then your words and the style of some ending the sentence will be very much developed. Here, most of the time you are fumbling, no, like that. No, why should it be? It is easy. Otherwise, you are a potential candidate to the service.
Sir.
But you take care of the shortcomings.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, any improvement, any field? Any field, कौन सी field है sir improvement दरकार है sir more said sir.
Your hobby is cricket.
Sir.
How cricket will be helpful in forestry? As a forest officer, you are employed as a assistant conservator of forest.
Sir.
How will help the forest department? Tell me in one sentence.
Sir, forestry teaches our patience and discipline.
So cricket में आप बोला तो जो है ना, cricket में patience अच्छी cricket का क्यों दिया?
Sir, patience in the sense, sir, if you want to watch cricket, we have to sit minimum 3 hours to up to we can get result in test cricket. We can result in 5 days. So in case of forestry, we have planted in July, but we will get the result after 6 months ki 8 months that whether the seedling will be survive or not, and most of the our forest species having very large rotation period.
Patience mostly.
Patience mostly.
Okay.
So basic thing is the cricket is a game of rules and regulations.
Sir.
And it is a very disciplined game.
Sir.
Isn't it?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So in the forest service,
Sir.
you are required to follow the rules and regulations properly and to be disciplined.
Sir.
So those are normal answer.
Sir.
Why should you just enter yourself to a controversy?
Sir. Okay, sir.
Let us go basically.
Sir.
So easily.
Sir.
So cricket is a developed game of the rules and regulations
Sir.
and discipline. So by that I can discharge my duties properly.
Sir.
So that is the most.
Yeah.
Yes,
and
sir.
one thing they may ask you, in which wood the bats are made.
Salik Salva.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
बहुत बढ़िया